Hello pumpkin people, happy September 1st if that is when you're watching, and welcome to a very short and sweet vintage fall and Halloween decor haul. I grabbed this vintage wool plaid blanket off of eBay. This is the only eBay thing that I have. I got this for I think like $12. Here's the brand if you know anything about it. I don't. I just really liked the way that it looked. It is a lap blanket though, so it's really small, and that's fine with me because I just got it to decorate with. The other blanket that I found at my antique mall yesterday is this gorgeous plaid wool blanket, and there's the tag. If you're familiar with that brand, let me know. I think this was $30, which is actually a really good deal for a vintage wool. Okay, next up from a barn sale, I got this beautiful fall barn scene artwork. This is hand painted and it was only 50 cents. So I'm actually going to DIY on this. The only thing is that it doesn't have a frame, but I'll work with it for 50 cents. I also got this blow mold candy bucket. This is in really good condition and I love the size. It's kind of like a medium size and it's from 1985. I saw this styled in a booth and it was so cute. It was styled with a few other ones, so I did go ahead and pick up 3. These were $14, which is a splurge for sure, especially when you're buying multiples, but the condition and the color and the size, they were all just on point for me. I grabbed some vintage taper candles. These remind me of the very trendy ones that are out at all the stores, but they're vintage and darling. I also got this set that comes in the original box, so they were more expensive, but I love to keep vintage boxes like these to decorate with. I'll save shiny bright boxes and match boxes and all kinds of different vintage boxes to use in my seasonal decorating, so I didn't mind paying the price. I also got this jack-o'-lantern glass jar. I don't know how vintage this is. It actually might even be current, but it has that kind of vintage look to it. It's in really good condition, and I love the size, kind of like a medium size. I think I might style this in my coffee bar. And then I got this book. I just thought this was going to be a Halloween book, but it turns out it's a Culinary Institute encyclopedia. But the colors and the polka dots, it's definitely giving Halloween. So this will be a really fun piece to style really anywhere, but I'm thinking my kitchen because it is a cookbook. And I might stack something on top of that. So I'm excited for this find. And also for my kitchen, I found this trick-or-treat cookie cutter box. Again, I love to use these kinds of vintage boxes in my decorating. There's not even cookie cutters in here. This was $5 and the inside is so cute too. So I plan to maybe prop these up or stack them on top of a book or something like that. And it's like 2 real vintage decor pieces for the price of 1. And it was only $5. So that's the entire haul. Thank you guys so much for spending a little bit of your Labor Day with me. Or it's not Labor Day today, it's actually September 1st. Tomorrow's Labor Day, but it is Labor Day weekend, so it is officially spooky season. I don't care what anyone says. And I will be back with some more fall and Halloween videos very soon. Thank you so much for being here again, and I will catch you in a future video. Bye now.